Well, welcome to Canoehenge. This is Ozark Outdoor Resort near Onondaga State Park in Missouri. As you can tell, water sports is pretty popular here. Canoeing, kayaking, floating down the river here on the Meramec River. The Meramec River happens to be a beautiful, beautiful river here in Missouri. And this is a very unique structure. Let's take a walk around Canoehenge. This is even more fascinating than Cadillac Ranch. We got an inner circle also. Here at Ozark Outdoor Resorts, you can rent canoes, kayaks, I guess floats, rafts. They'll drop you off anywhere you want to float here on the Meramec River, it appears. I've not done any business with them. There's not good phone signal here, so I've not been able to do my research. But as you can see, from the bridge up above, they've got a lot to offer, it appears. And they have campgrounds out there also. You can actually camp there. Out here it's very nice. I did talk to a fella here on the Meramec River. He's saying the resort was really nice. He said his family was staying there this week. Let's go take a little walk down to the center. Look at that. That's a lot of money invested in what looks like 17-foot aluminum canoes. Look there. Looks like they have bonfires here from time to time. There's a lot of good conversation taking place here. It is a very beautiful area here in Missouri. Onondaga State Park. Onondaga Cave State Park. We actually did a tour of the cave today. And it was amazing also. Guys, here's Canoehenge, I mean.